Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to stop by very quick and share with you guys my new style. These are the spring twists. I've been getting a lot of questions about them, my clients, and I never done those before. Wanted to try them on myself first, and quite surprisingly I like them. So I just wanted to share with you guys how I put those in. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few demonstrations on how I put those twists in. Well, this is the hair that I use. This is the exact hair that I use on my head, and I just went on Amazon and I put in spring twist hair, and from there I just choose the color and the hair that I liked. So there's no any particular brand attached to this one. Okay, so guys, I did pull the hair so I can loosen the curls to separate the hair, and the method that I'm using is wrapping the hair a few times, at least 3 times on my hair. I wrap the extensions on my hair, and then what I did is I braided the root about 1 inch, and then after that I just separate my hair into 2, both strands, and start twisting down. And that's basically it, and that's all the method. I mean, that's all that I use for the whole entire hair. I use the same method, if that makes sense.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be.
Okay guys, so this is the final result for first attempt. I would say I really am pleased with the final result. I like this hair. I don't know how long it will last though, but so far I think is really a nice style for at least a couple of weeks. Thank you guys for watching. If you have more questions about this hair, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up if you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right.